Now, the properties of a triangle, that greatest side of a triangle having greater angle opposite to it, it means that suppose we take a triangle A, B, C, given that AC is greater than AB. This is the greatest side, AC. To prove that angle opposite to them, yani angle ABC is greater than angle ACB. This you have to prove. How you will prove? Take a side AB and mark it of the same length as D over here. AB is equals to AD. Draw an arc on AC at D such that AB is equals to AD. Join BD. Now, in triangle ABD, angle ABD is equals to angle ADB. Why? Because AB is equals to AD. Isosceles triangle. If in a triangle two angles are equal, so side opposite to them, angle opposite to them are also equal if the sides are equal. So if this angle is x, this will also be x. Now, in triangle BDC, if you consider this as z and this angle as y, sum of exterior angle is equals to sum of two interior opposite angle. It means angle x is equals to angle y plus angle z. Angle x is equals to angle y plus angle z. It means that individually angle x is greater than angle z, because this angle x is the sum of these two angles. If you compare individually, angle x will be greater than angle z. It means that angle ADB is greater than angle ACB. This angle is greater than this angle. Therefore, what we can say, that angle ADB plus angle DBC is much greater than angle ACB, because now we are adding x plus y. So we have proved that angle ABC is greater than angle ACB. This will become much greater if you compare this, when y will be added to x also. So the x plus y will become much greater than z, which proves that angle ABC is greater than angle ACB. So which shows that if there is a greatest side, so on the opposite angle of the greatest side will always be greatest. For example, if you take this obtuse triangle, this is the A, B and C. AB is the greatest side. This is considered to be the greatest side. So the angle 120 degree. Suppose this is 30 degree and this is 30 degrees. So the angle opposite to the greatest side will always be greatest. And the reverse property of this is, the greatest angle has greatest side opposite to it. greatest angle has a greatest side opposite to it. A, B, C. Given that angle ABC is greater than angle ACB, to prove that AC is greater than AB. AC is greater than AB. This we know that this is the greatest side. This is a greatest side. This is greater than this angle. If this angle is x, this angle is y, x is greater than y. What we will do, from B, draw a line on AC such that which meet at D, such that angle DBC becomes equal to y. Becomes equal to y. मतलब this angle will become equal to y. This was complete angle was x, this was y. So we have drawn the line in such a way that both the angles, angle DBC becomes equal to DCB. Now in triangle DBC, we can say DC is equals to BD. Why? Because both the angles, angle DBC is equals to angle DCB. The angles are equal, so side opposite to them are also equal. Now take in triangle ABD, the sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Yani AD plus BD is always greater than AB. Is always greater than the third side AB. In which triangle we have taken? ABD, the sum of two sides. As we know that BD is equals to DC. So AD plus DC is greater than AB. Therefore we can say AC is greater than AB. So this we have proved just now, that if there is in a triangle the greatest angle, whatever the greatest angle is there, the side opposite to them is always greatest. The side opposite to them is always greatest. So these are the two properties of inequalities in a triangle, that first of all the greatest side has a greatest angle opposite to it, and the greatest angle has a greatest side opposite to it. Then we will come to the next part.